Today has been absolutely amazing, and I've got some exciting news to share with you all. I genuinely can't wait. I am so excited. I just want to get stuck in now. Now that I know what I'm doing, I just want to dive in head first and get stuck in. I'm impulsive at the best of times. But did someone say Castle Apothecary? Yes, I think I did. So, a little update video. I've just been with a friend to Halton Castle, and HAGWITCH Herbals is going to be based from here, alongside Coven Connections, Raven's Rest and Keep Spiritual. So it's a collective of people come together, and the whole thing is going to be known as Wise Women's Keep, because obviously we're based in a castle keep. We're blessed to have lots of space to work with, and there's going to be an array of services available alongside herbal consultations, treatments, workshops, and you can pop in and browse the products that I'm going to be making as well. It's an absolutely stunning workshop space, so I can't wait to get everyone together here for a decent workshop. It's going to be lovely, and there's going to be different groups on every month. So different activities as well, talks, workshops, generally across the spiritual spectrum. We want to cater to all pathways, not just one particular path. We want to cater to all pathways because we all practice different paths ourselves. So keep your eyes peeled and join us for our opening weekend, because it's going to be amazing. You're going to love it. Tons of entertainment. And obviously we have the castle pub here too, because we've got rooms upstairs in the pub, which we're going to be offering services from as well. And I actually have a private kitchen here too for making all my products and remedies. It's perfect location, and I can't wait to show you all when you get here. Keep watching for more updates from the Wise Women Keep. So this is the building that's going to be the apothecary stroke shop, and this is the entrance you'd use to get into it. These doors will be open. This is the inside of it currently. It's going to take quite a bit of work, but we're hoping to have it up and running by the opening weekend, the first weekend in August. And like I said, this is a community project open to all, so please do pop along.